even for that matter, the ruling on the road statute would set the rule, would set the standard.
When Senate President said he's working on the petition, basically we're talking about elevating it to SC already.
That's correct. We're talking about the legal issue, again, being elevated to the Supreme Court because the legal issue is now in the Supreme Court through our petition to question the withdrawal from the road statute.
Sir, will it not weaken na may mga ibang senador na hindi daw po yata supportive of that?
Oh, well, the Senate President, to my understanding, is decided to go to the Supreme Court. That is why I'm asking our colleagues to support our Senate.